in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pendleton County, northwestern Bracken County, southern Campbell County, southern Claremont County, and southwestern Ohio, west central Brown County in southwestern Ohio, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Claryville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alexandria, Claryville, Bethel, New Richmond, Augusta, Felicity, Brooksville, Butler, Hammersville, Mentor, Moscow, Neville, California, Chillow, Peach Grove, Chatham, Campbell County Lake, Rock Springs, Mount Auburn, and Woken. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The severe